In this video, we'll compare WPS Writer and Microsoft Word to help you decide which one is better for you. Make sure to download WPS Writer using the link in the description below so you can follow along as we explore its features. Let's start with pricing. Microsoft Word is part of the Microsoft 365 subscription, which costs $7.20 per month for personal use or $72 per year. While it comes bundled with other apps like Excel and PowerPoint, it's a significant expense if you only need a word processor. On the other hand, WPS Writer is completely free to download and use. Even its premium version, available for around $22.99 per year, offers are available throughout the year with super heavy discounts of up to 70% sometimes. So if you see a deal like this, take it. It is significantly more affordable than Microsoft Word. If you're looking to save on your word processing tool, WPS Writer is the clear winner. Next, let's talk about the user interface. Microsoft Word has a clean and professional design with its iconic ribbon toolbar. It's been around for decades, so most users are already familiar with it. WPS Writer, however, offers a very similar layout, making it easy to switch over if you're used to Word. Additionally, WPS Writer includes a tabbed interface, allowing you to work on multiple documents in a single window. This feature is handy for multitasking. Both tools are designed with user-friendliness in mind, so this category comes down to personal preference. When it comes to features, Microsoft Word is a powerhouse. It offers advanced tools like SmartArt, real-time collaboration, and a wide range of templates. It's ideal for professionals, students, and anyone who needs robust functionality. WPS Writer also provides a variety of templates, collaboration tools, and even a built-in PDF editor. However, it lacks some of the advanced features found in Microsoft Word, such as SmartArt and advanced grammar checking. But it has a WPS AI that can do the grammar check for you. If you need basic to intermediate tools, WPS Writer is a great option. For advanced features, Microsoft Word takes the lead. Compatibility is another important factor. Microsoft Word supports a wide range of file formats, including DocX, PDF, and older formats like Doc. It's the industry standard, so you're unlikely to encounter compatibility issues. WPS Writer also supports DocX, PDF, and other standard formats. If you're working in a team that primarily uses Microsoft Word, it might be better to stick with Word for seamless collaboration. In terms of performance, WPS Writer is lightweight and runs smoothly even on older or less powerful devices. Microsoft Word, while not overly demanding, can feel slower on older machines. Both tools have mobile apps, but WPS Writer's app is completely free, while Microsoft Word's app requires a subscription for full functionality. If you're frequently working on the go, WPS Writer might be the better choice. So, which one is better? It's not a matter of one being superior to the other, but rather a question of what suits your needs best. If you need advanced features, seamless compatibility, and don't mind paying, Microsoft Word is a great choice. But if you're on a budget or need a lightweight, free alternative, WPS Writer is an excellent option. The power of choice is in your hands. You can download WPS Writer using the link in the description below and try it out for yourself for free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our next video on the top 5 free video editors to take your content creation to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our 90-second tech newsletter for more tech tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.